Okay, let's dive in. We're talking about bending metal today. Perfectly, consistently, day after day. For everything from really cool architectural designs to the basic structures we rely on, it's trickier than it sounds. So today, we're peeling back the layers on one specific machine that makes this happen, the Ercolina CE50H3 Angle Roll. You probably don't know the name, but trust me, its work is, well, it's everywhere. Our mission, to figure out what makes this machine such a standout in the world of metal fabrication, and why should you care about some fancy bending machine? Because honestly, understanding tools like this gives you that aha moment about the engineering shaping our world, often unseen. So let's get right into its power. This thing handles two 12-inch Schedule 40 pipe and 212 by 14-inch angle. That sounds like serious capacity.
It really is.
hmm
And, for those familiar, Schedule 40 tells you about the pipe's wall thickness. That's standard stuff. But it's an important context. And it's worth remembering this capacity is based on your typical mild grade materials. If you start working with heavy wall pipes or high tensile stuff, well, the capacity number will change. It's just physics.
Right, makes sense. It's not just brute force, though, is it? I heard it's fast, like 20% faster than competitors.
That's the claim. And yeah, it's a significant number. Speed on the production floor, it's huge. Anyone in fabrication knows a slow bender can just, well, stop everything.
Yeah.
So faster production, that directly means, better profit margins and maybe even better quality because you're not rushing things elsewhere.
Okay, fast is good.
Yeah.
But if you're bending fast, how do you keep it accurate? How do you get the same bend every single time?
That's where the precision comes in. It uses hydraulic positioning for the center roll. Very accurate. And it's got these programmable touchpad controls, digital display, the whole 9 yards. The key thing, it can store, I think it's 8 different programs and unlimited passes within each program. So that means really reliable, repeatable bends. Takes the guesswork right out.
Okay, so precise control. Now, what about the build? It looks, frankly, indestructible. That reinforced frame, the forged roll shafts. What's the practical benefit there?
Oh, absolutely foundational. That robust build, it means maximum performance, sure, but critically minimal deflection. You don't want the material or the machine itself flexing when you bend. That heavy structure, high section modulus ratings, it just holds its shape. That's how it maintains accuracy under load, and yeah, it often outperforms competitors in that regard. Less wiggle, basically.
Got it. Less wiggle, better bends. Now, I read something really interesting, a patented simultaneous downfeed and roll movement. What's the magic behind that?
Yeah, that's pretty clever. Basically, the way the rolls move and apply pressure together simultaneously. It works to minimize how much the metal itself gets distorted or deformed during the bend. The result is just a cleaner, superior finish on the piece. Less distortion equals higher quality and less wasted material, too.
And it sounds user-friendly, too. Universal tooling, remote pendant, foot pedal, even something about threaded roll shafts.
Exactly. The universal tooling set. That saves a ton of setup time and cost right there. No need for dozens of specific tool sets. The remote pendant, low voltage, with a foot switch that lets the operator stand back, see the whole process, work hands-free, much safer, more efficient. And yeah, the threaded roll shafts with that micrometric adjustment. It's a smart way to get rid of fiddly spacers when setting up tooling, faster changes. Plus, there's even an optional anti-twist system specifically for angle iron when you're bending it leg in, which can be really tricky. It shows its versatility. So when you step back, what's really fascinating is how all these, very specific technical details, the shaft diameter, the hydraulics, the anti-twist, how they all translate directly into real-world benefits, producing complex parts reliably, accurately, boosting profit, improving quality.
And for you listening, it means the amazing curved architecture you might see downtown, or the super strong infrastructure holding up a bridge, or even parts and things you use every day. They're benefiting from the precision and speed of machines just like this Ercolina CE50H3. It makes them stronger, better looking, and just, well, more efficiently built.
Yeah, it really makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How often do we actually stop and appreciate these kinds of specialized machines, these sort of hidden technologies that are quietly, constantly shaping the physical world all around us, enabling so much we take for granted?
It really is a powerful reminder that precision, that innovation, even in what seems like niche industrial gear, it has this profound impact on all our lives. Thanks for taking this deep dive with us today.